Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this LeadsLeap training video. I am Angela, and in this video, I will be showing you how to use LeadsLeap to drive targeted traffic to your website on autopilot. Now, I am committed to sharing with you simple ways to make money online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, if you are a marketer looking to drive targeted traffic to your website on autopilot, then you can go ahead and click the link in the description to access this page right here. As you can see, there's over 119,000 members in LeadsLeap. There are over 28 million visitors that have been sent to the offers on LeadsLeap and over 56,000 app users. This is an absolutely powerful system. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on traffic, 4 ways to get you traffic and leads to your offer. Now we're going to go through these 4 ways here, and I'm going to log into my back office and show you exactly how to set this up. And then in the next video series, we're going to talk about the free tools and the 4 different ways that you can make money using this system. Now, the first way that you can drive traffic and leads to your offers is by advertising to LeadsLeap members from within the back office. I'll show you what those ads look like, and I'll also show you how you can go ahead and set them up. Now, the second way that you can drive traffic and leads to your offer is that you can actually leverage the platform and they get to advertise your offer to the world, and you can actually get eyeballs on your website. I was actually on a traffic exchange and I saw an ad that looked like mine, and I clicked it and the referral link actually belonged to me. I was like, whoa, this is powerful. So this is an amazing way for you to not only advertise to the members in the platform, but to the rest of the world as well. Now, you can actually get search engine traffic. This is very powerful because what you can do is you can take the time to write a review once, and once you write that review, you publish it on this platform, and it's there for decades, for years to come, and people can actually stumble upon that on YouTube, on Google, and other people can actually go within the back office. They go and search for different products and services. So this is a great way for you to drive targeted traffic to your offer on autopilot. And then here you actually have an opportunity to multiply your network, to grow your network, because what happens is within LeadsLeap, you actually get to communicate and to offer your product to your network up to, so this is an example of how it works. It's a 10-level network builder. This is very powerful. I'll be able to log into back office and show you. It's just an example. If you got 10 and they got 10 and they got 10, they become part of your network, and you can then communicate with them. This is very powerful. So let's go ahead and go through the back office and show you exactly what you need to do. So the first one is to advertise LeadsLeap members. So here I am in the back office, and straight away you can see there's ads there every time I log in. At the top on the right hand side, there's different ads there, and there's these are reviews. I'll be able to show you that in a second, but there's ads there for when members log in, they can go ahead and see ads. Now, for you as an advertiser to set these up, as a free member, you can go to post credit ads. Here you can place your ads as a free member. But if you're going to post as a free member, then in order for you to get views to your ads, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and view other people's ads, okay? And the way you do that is you simply go to this money section here, or you can actually here surf and earn. You can click on any of this and be able to go ahead and serve other people. So if you see pro here, it means that that's an ad by a paid member, which is what I am. I'm a paid member myself. So you can see here I'm a pro. That's how you can start to drive traffic to your website on autopilot. So you can see the total visits I've got here. I'm always refreshing. Oh no, I haven't been a free member for a while, so doesn't matter here. But if you decide to upgrade and become a pro, you can go to post pro ads here, and this is where you can paste your pro ads. Now, what is so powerful about this is you set and forget. once you set these ads, they're out there to be seen by the members and actually outside of the members area as well, like we discussed. So you just set this up once and for all. You see how many visits you've had in the past 7 days, total visits, how many ads you place. And it's very simple. If I click edit here, you put the link where you want them to go. You put a catchy title, a text. You choose a category, and you actually put an image as well. You make sure you have an image there, and then you hit save and submit, and you can go ahead and preview your ad. So let's take a look at this one here. Let's take a look at this other ad here I placed. So if I go to preview, I can see what my ad looks like. It's going to show up as people are searching like this. And once they click, they can rate it, they can save it as well, so they can look at it later. And once they click on the ad, they can actually go ahead and see the actual ad there. So very, very powerful system. I was actually speaking to somebody. I always ask people where they heard from me, people who've bought from me, and one of them said, oh, LeadsLeap. So I was like, oh, pretty awesome. And this is also good for branding, so other marketers get to see you as well. That's the first way. So simple how you can come in here and set your ads. And then the second way here is you do nothing, okay? So as you become a pro member and your ads are seen to the rest of the world, very powerful. Search engine, you can come in here and go back, and you can go to reviews here. So if I want to come in and read reviews, so this is where your reviews will come up. So you can you name your opportunity, where the category it's at, and people can literally come in here and search and click read review. So let me go Team Build Club. Let's see if there's anything on that. So if I search for that, okay, none found for Team Build Club. Okay, let me see real quick. Well, you can search for anything. My brain's gone dead here, but you can see different categories here. And you can click Downline Builder and see what opportunities are there for downline. Oh, I had to search for it using one word. So Team Build Club here, you can see how many reviews, the last update, how many stars. So you can actually click here and I can see the different members who have written about the Team Build Club. So it's very, very powerful. People come in here and they can search for, they can stumble upon you. So that's me there. I actually wrote something about the Team Build Club as well, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, so for you to, so this is how it appears to other people. And then if you want to go ahead and set that up yourself, you go to My Reviews here, and you can just go here, Add Review, very simple, and then go ahead and write your review. Put where the referral link where you want it to go, the main link of the program, you write your review. If you can use Word, you can do this, then you submit it for approval. And then here you can actually set up your top recommendations as well. So you set them up in order, and then people can come in and see what your top recommendations are. So that is how simple it is for you to get your search engine traffic. And the last thing is the followers here, how you can start to build your network. You do what I'm doing, you share your referral link. And as you're sharing your referral link, you can actually go to oh yeah, here you can see your followers, you can message your followers here. So it's very, very powerful. So that will be the end of that video here today. In the next training, I'll talk about the free tools that you have available. The one after that, I'll talk about 4 different ways that you can make money with the system. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on clicking the link below. I have my Facebook profile page, I have my Telegram link there, and you can also leave a comment below. I'll be able to answer any question that you might have. But this is a platform that's free to join. So what I recommend that you to do is to click the link in the description, join the platform, come into the back office here and have a look around, start to play around with it, because I like the fact that you can actually get started for free and start to drive that traffic to your office. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on simple ways to make money online in 2022 and beyond. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.